Guys, I want you to meet two of my friends today. We're going to start with the beautiful sister. And this is the beautiful fiddly fig tree here. And this is what I paid for her about a month and a half ago. She is still sitting in the same pot that I bought her in. And I've been watering her. However, I see some browning of those leaves there. See that browning? And she also lost a leaf this morning. So let me turn it around here. And this is where she lost her leaf this morning. As you can see, it's still fresh. So I would like to know if anyone know if I can repot this or put it in some water to get some regrowth on it and to start a new tree. I don't know, but I think I'm going to give it a try. So yes, this is Sister, and I think I showed you that I paid this much for her a month and a half ago. And this is the soil. It's pretty dry now, so I don't water her often, but I am learning, and I have some more pots. So today is going to be repotting day. Okay, and this is the beautiful sister. Let's take a look at her. Let's stand back and take a look at sister, and we're going to repot sister. She looks good and healthy. The leaves are really nice and healthy, but I know we can do better. We're going to get all this going. And over here we have the lovely Buddy. I call him Bud. All right, and this is what Buddy is looking like. And also, about 2 weeks ago, Buddy lost a leaf. And as you can see, it's healing up right here from Buddy's loss. But he also looks pretty healthy. I talk to them every morning. They always get a good morning. And look at this leaf. I am so proud of this one because I saw this one sprout out from nothing. And it grew into this nice leaf. So I'm new to taking care of plants. And look how beautiful and shiny it is. So also, if you know of any product that I can use to shine these up, they're so beautiful. I have seen these. I've researched these trees, and they grow really, really big and huge, like to the ceiling. So I'm going to give them a shot. And this is also, I bought these on the same day, and I paid the same price for this one a month and a half ago. And yes, the soil, I knew it was time to repot them because when I poured water on it, it immediately started running through the holes there. So I'm assuming that it was time for them to be repotted. But we get ready to give these plants some good, tender, loving care and repot them. And this is Bud. And Bud is going to get him a new fresh pot with some more soil. Okay. I'm going to take you guys along for the process. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm going to give it a shot. All right. This is the soil that I chose to pot my plants in. And I chose it because it says for overwatering or underwatering that your plant can be safe. So I certainly hope I chose the right soil for these plants. Please give me some advice on this as I go through this process of trying to be a plant mom. Okay, these are the two planters that I chose to plant my fiddle leaves in. And this is a 14-inch planter. I think this would be a nice size for from where they are now. Okay, and I also bought, and again, listen, it is so hard to find planters and anything flower related, according to me, because I'm just getting started with this stuff. this time of year, I went in some of the discount stores and I was asking for flower planters, and they was like, we've already put them away. They're putting up holiday stuff. And I'm like, wow. So I had to run around to like 5 different stores to get this. Matter of fact, I found my planters from one Walmart and I found the potting soil from another Walmart. And I was happy to do that because I really want to replant my flowers and give them the best chance ever. I bought a water tray for them as well. And that's the water tray. I bought water trays. That's the water tray. So if they do lose water, I don't have to worry about it making a mess and destroying anything. So these are the items that I have to get started with my replanting my fiddle leaf fig trees. Are they trees or are they plants? They look like a tree to me. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get started, and y'all please be gentle with me in those comments because I am not an expert. I am trying and I just want to do something different. But I would love to have some nice, genuine advice from how to take care of the fiddle leaf figs, how to shine those leaves up. I've seen some beautiful, huge fiddle leaf figs. And I would like for mine to get big and healthy first. Be healthy and grow nice and beautiful. And as you sitting around wherever you have them located, you enjoy the view of your beautiful tree, something that you have nurtured and helped to grow into something beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. And like I said, leave me some comments down below. Thank you very much. All right, let's get into it.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby, we got chemistry. Me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars.